Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect HubSpot to Facebook. So I'm going to do that by using Zapier. So first go to www.zapier.com/dashboard, click on create a Zap, and then select your trigger. So our trigger will be Facebook lead ads. Click continue, sign in with your Facebook, and then select your page. Click on continue, and then I'm just going to skip this and let's go to our action. So for the action, let's select HubSpot, and then our action will be add contact to the list. Click continue, sign in with your HubSpot account, and then just fill in the values. So just and enter the contact email. After that, click continue, and then let's skip our test. And that is how you can connect HubSpot to Facebook. Now you just have to publish this app and you're done. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one.